Model, 67 plate Peugeot Boxer Euro 6 Luton low loader box van. Engine knocking very clean, no vat. Body, white, Luton, box. Mileage, 165059. MOT, the 28th of November 2025. Engine, 1997 ccdw10 FUD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. The engine will need repairing or replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, electric windows, low loader Luton box van. Euro status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Contact us, 01564334664. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011999